In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly export your edited videos from CapCut directly to TikTok. This process is simple yet powerful, streamlining your workflow and allowing you to share your creativity with the world efficiently. So let's dive right into the steps to make this happen. Starting off with your completed editing project open in CapCut, the first thing you need to do is to hit that export button. It's typically located at the top right corner of your screen. This button is your gateway to getting your masterpiece ready for TikTok. Once you click it, you'll be directed to the export screen. Now, when you're on this new screen, take a moment to notice the option that says Upload to TikTok. You'll find a checkbox next to it. Make sure this is checked. Why, you ask? Well, checking this box ensures that your finished video will be primed and ready for upload to TikTok once it's done exporting, saving you that extra step later on. Once your video is exporting, a prompt will appear asking you to log into your TikTok account. If you're not already logged in, you'll be guided through this process. Just enter your credentials as prompted. This is a crucial step as it links your CapCut app directly with your TikTok profile, allowing for a smooth transition from editing to posting. After you've logged in and the export is complete, CapCut takes the reins and will automatically open TikTok's upload window for you. This integration is incredibly handy. It takes away the hassle of jumping between apps and makes sure your video is right where you need it, ready to be shared with your audience. Now all that's left to do is to finesse your video's caption. This is the perfect opportunity to engage your audience right away with something catchy, informative, or entertaining. Once your caption is polished, you're just a tap away from broadcasting your video to your followers. Hit that post button and your video is live, reaching TikTokers far and wide. And there you have it, a straightforward yet effective way to publish your creative projects from CapCut to TikTok with minimal hassle. This integrated approach not only saves you time, but also keeps your focus where it needs to be, on creating amazing content. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Keep creating and sharing.